everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letrscookolet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon garlic chicken. Yes, for the chicken I'm using the drumstick, which is my favorite, but you can use any chicken you want, and baby potatoes and lemon and garlic, and it's gonna be amazing, easy and super yummy meal to make. So first let's mix the chicken. So the chicken drumstick, olive oil, Montreal chicken spice, salt, pepper, and we're gonna mix it very well. Let's put it on the side and let's work on the potatoes here. So the potatoes here, I'm using the baby potatoes. All what I need just to slice it in half. I'm using the red and white baby potato because it's easy to work with. Now the red onion, we're gonna slice it about 1/4 inch thick. Alright, so now the potatoes here, a little bit oil and a little salt and pepper, doesn't hurt. Give it a quick mix. Lovely. The onion we sliced. Doesn't have to be perfect as long as it covers the whole things in the bottom. Looking nice. The chicken drumstick, the one we mix with the spices and the oil. Perfect. Now aluminum foil. Here we go. And make sure your oven on the 450, and we're gonna put it covered for about like half an hour to 40 minutes. Then uncover it, put the lemon and the garlic, and keep roasting it till it's ready. Now for the lemon and garlic, I'm going to crush them using the magic bullet. So fresh garlic and a fresh lemon squeeze. Olive oil. Voila. And salt and pepper. Close it. And ready to be blended. Perfect. Look at that, nice and creamy. Yummy. Look at this. We're gonna put the lemon and garlic. And I'm gonna put only half and leave the other half till when it's ready. And back in the oven. Oh boy, look at that beauty. Now the remaining of the lemon and garlic. Lovely. Me, I love garlic. So we have the oven, and always depends on the oven you use. I'm using a countertop oven, but always your best friend is a thermometer. When your thermometer registers 175 to 180, you're good to go. And this is the result. This is what we have here: potatoes, onion, the drumstick, and as I said, fall off the bone, as you see here. Whoa, look at this. And before I eat, the juice in the bottom, it's full of flavor, lemon, garlic, herbs, and you can put a little bit on top. Voila. Oh boy, lemon and garlic chicken, what a meal. It's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.